Right, we clear. We get wet in the rain. That's alright. I'm here to review a special car. And when you see the number plate, you will see why I say it's special. My boy from a long time. When I say long time, as in like Area 51. And those who know the Area 51, you're gonna know, right? Let's call him Swag. You have a car that I always... I mean, I feel like I recently started to have a passion for it, or like a love for it, at A31. And I hear by Precision Detailing, my boy Nikolai, give me a blind, say, yeah, come and use the garage because I see the car fresh. I need to use the garage because he have properly lit, because remember he just do detailing here. I'll go put his Instagram so they can check it out. He have a couple of videos on his Instagram with some fresh cars like Porsche, Minis, all them high-end cars. So, but the A31 is real fresh, and it's white too. Favorite color, some nice rims, and of course it have a J in it. So I need to check it out. Yeah. Right, A31 Cifero. It have a nice kit set. The paint looking fresh. The engine bay looking fresh. And of course is a 1J VVTI. Is that 1J VVTI? Yeah, 1J VVTI. Alright. Single turbo precision. But I know this man from a long time. Long time. Since I can't say since primary school, but we was driving, right? Area 51 days. It's an Armour compound for all those who don't know. And we used to do a little practice in the back of last Lomas there. And the car looking fresh. I know it's late. I pull him out late. This is the man here. So now they see money road. Don't test the car. It's not Arab. I ain't trying to say not Arabian. And all them Arabian men go tell me something. I fight to do it. I fight to do it. Tell me. Alright, so I know what I'm seeing. Right? But just kinda give the viewers what it is you have here.
Basic 1J single turbo, 850 injectors. Nothing special.
What back end the turbo is?
63.
A 63?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's spoolie like
yeah.
Alright.
No lag at all.
What management are you running?
Max.
Max?
Max to the world.
Wait, which Max are you running?
Sport.
Sport? Who tune it?
Doc from St. James.
Oh, okay. Why A31?
Why not?
I hate when we go about that.
Yeah, why not? Come on.
Alright, how difficult the build was?
Whew. It was difficult.
Because I remember our call.
Yeah. I had to do some calling around because it was stressful, real stressful.
What was the stressful part? I know these. You could have get some mounts. I know you're supposed to be able to get the mounts.
The brackets. The brackets was hard to find.
Okay.
So when I do get the brackets, putting in the engine, remember I do everything home.
Right.
So help was an access you.
Okay.
When help come, then finding the proper gearbox for it.
Okay.
So it take a while.
What gearbox?
YD.
YD?
Yeah.
Okay. Where you get the mounts then? It was here or you?
No, I thought alright. And wait a very long while.
The orders were off of eBay?
eBay.
Oh, okay. Alright. The radiators from what? That is our regular.
That radiator, Devon, big up yourself. Yeah. I think that radiator come out the Supra.
Okay.
So,
okay.
It's a hand me down.
You see 850 injectors?
Yeah.
You have an idea? You went on the dyno with it? You have a power?
Nothing. A little over 3.5.
A little over 3.5? Alright.
Small thing.
Alright. RG steering wheel. It really make the car a bit more comfortable, especially if you have long legs to come in the car and you don't have to feel like you're hitting the steering wheel. So there are some people that's quite quick with the steering. It's a little space, and I mean it's a security factor too. I see for this car the widey box, I guess, it's a bit shorter. So we'll have a little modification on the shifter. The shifter feeling good still. And you know the MAXXECU, all the MAXXECU, once you have an Android deck or tablet, you can run all the telemetry on the Max. What's your favorite part of the Max? Like if you was to pick a, what's your favorite part of the Max ECU? Everything, yeah, everything on the tablet that is used, and Max ECU, boy. It's time to run the route in Trinidad. Alright. Let's take a look at some the rolling shots we get on the highway before we get wet in the rain. The car sounding good. Wow, exhaust. What type of exhaust? Yeah.
Full stainless steel 3-inch. Front to back 3-inch resonators, and well, it's 3 resonators, 1 in the middle and 2 in the back.
Okay.
Simple system.
The resonators on who?
Gold Star.
Gold Star is in Eldorado. No.
Gold Star is in Tagarigua. Yeah, on the main road, yeah.
Alright. What diff in the back?
S13.
2A. That is the 2x3.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, and there's the vibes. So another 831 to be burning my eye. Because I'm marking this one, I'm marking Mark. And if it is you ain't recognize the numbers, it's the same number on the BMW, boy. So like now I'm feeling like I should get this one. Anyway, we go talk that, yeah. We go talk something. Maybe when it is you get fed up, I might get a blind, but the car fresh. Where get the
Rance.
Who?
Rance Hossain.
Rance Hossain?
Princess Town, I think
Rance Hossain, Princess Town, big up yourself.
Build all the kits, except this.
Okay, so
the front bumper, back bumper, and the ducktail.
Okay. Where you get the side skids then?
Bamboo, this is side skids, this is P11, I think we shortened.
Oh,
yeah.
serious?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And who painted that?
Pro Customs, 5 Rivers. Kevin.
Oh, Kevin, yeah. Alright, okay, cool.